Hari Om. Welcome my dear children to another session of biology. Hope all of you are staying safe at your home. Okay, as we all know, always remember SMS, keep social distancing, wear mask, that is double layered mask, use sanitizer and be safe at your home. Always try to eat nutritious food, drink a plenty of water. Don't go outside. Okay, be safe at your home. So let's start the class with quotation by Swami Chinmayananda. A successful man is one who lays a firm foundation with the bricks that others throw at him. Listen here once more. A successful man is one who lays a firm foundation with the bricks that others throw at him. മറ്റുള്ളവർ എറിയുന്ന കല്ലുകൾ ഒരു ഫേം ഫൗണ്ടേഷൻ ആക്കി വിജയം കൈവരിക്കുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ് ഒരു യഥാർത്ഥ സക്സസ്ഫുൾ മാൻ. അതായത് മറ്റുള്ളവരല്ലേ പല കാര്യങ്ങളിൽ നമ്മളെ വിമർശിക്കുകയൊക്കെ ചെയ്യും. അതിൽ നമ്മൾ വീണു പോകാമോ? നോ, നെവർ let be down. You have to move forward, work hard and try to keep that criticism as a firm foundation for your success. Then surely you will achieve your success. Let's move. Okay. So my dear children, today we can start our new chapter, that is reaching the age of adolescence. In the last chapter, you have studied about reproduction. Is it? Reproduction in animals. The types of reproduction. So many topics we have discussed in the last chapter. And in this chapter, you are going to study the changes that occurs in a body at the time of reproductive maturity, or when the person is capable of reproduction. Is it? So, growing up is a natural process. Is it? Growth is a natural process, and the body shows some changes when you are capable or when you attain reproductive maturity. So the period of life that shows various changes in your body that attains reproductive maturity, it is called adolescence. Okay. So what is adolescence? The period of life when the body undergoes changes leading to reproductive maturity is called adolescence. ആ ഒരു കാലഘട്ടം റീപ്രൊഡക്റ്റീവ് മെച്യൂരിറ്റി അറ്റൈൻ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ ബോഡിയിൽ ഉണ്ടാവുന്ന നോർമൽ ചേഞ്ചസ്, ആ ഒരു കാലഘട്ടത്തിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ അഡോളസൻസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. സോ ആദിത്യൻ, what do you mean by adolescence? Yes, the period of life the body undergoes changes leading to reproductive maturity. Al-Amin, what is adolescence? The period of life when the body undergoes changes leading to reproductive maturity, it is called adolescence. And during the age of 10 to 11 years, ഏകദേശം 10-11 വയസ്സാകുമ്പോഴത്തേക്കും ഈ ഒരു അഡോളസൻസ് പീരീഡ് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നു. It lasts up to 18 to 19 years age. So the period between 10 to 19 years, that period of life is called adolescence. And do you know, girls shows changes of adolescence 1 year before than boys. ഗേൾസിന് എപ്പോഴും ഒരു വർഷം മുമ്പേ ആ ഒരു ചേഞ്ചസ് കാണിച്ചു തുടങ്ങും. So many changes, that means so many visible changes occurs in your body as a part of adolescence. And one thing you have to take care that don't be panic Don't be confused. Don't be tensed. Ayyo, what happens to my face? Why pimples are coming? Is it? I felt so gloomy today. I felt happy today. Mood swings are there, is it? So don't be confused on these matters, and actually you have to know that it is a part of growth. It is a natural process. Growth is a natural process. So during the time of this period, that means during the period of adolescence, it's quite natural that your body undergoes several changes. ഈ സമയത്ത് പെൺകുട്ടികൾ കണ്ണാടിയുടെയൊക്കെ മുന്നിൽ ചെന്നിട്ട് എനിക്കിവിടെ എന്താ പിമ്പിൾ വന്നേ, എനിക്ക് അവളെ കാട്ടി ഇച്ചിരി കളർ കുറഞ്ഞല്ലോ, മുടി പോയല്ലോ, അല്ലേ, അങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ തോന്നും. സോ ഇതൊക്കെ വളർച്ചയുടെ ഒരു സ്റ്റേജ് ആണ്. ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് വെരി എസെൻഷ്യൽ ഫോർ യുവർ ബോഡി. ഇത് കാണുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കൺഫേം ചെയ്യാം, you are in the right path of growth. So the children at this stage, we are calling them as adolescents. As we all know that the age between 10 to 18, that is they are teens, and that is why the students are also called as teenagers. So listen here once more. That period of life is called adolescence. See the spelling? SCENCE. ആ ഒരു കാലഘട്ടത്തിനെ നമ്മൾ അഡോളസെൻസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നു. ആ കാലഘട്ടത്തിലുള്ള കുട്ടികളെയും നമ്മൾ അഡോളസെൻസ്, ബട്ട് ദ സ്പെല്ലിംഗ് ഈസ് ഡിഫറെന്റ്. ജസ്റ്റ് ലിസൺ. SCENTS. And another name of adolescence is called teenagers. So the human body undergoes several changes at the time of adolescence, and these changes marks the onset of puberty. അല്ലെ, ഈ ഒരു ചേഞ്ചസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് പ്യൂബർട്ടി എന്ന് പറയുന്നതിന്റെ ആ ഒരു തുടക്കമാണ്. മാർക്ക് ദ ഓൺസെറ്റ് ഓഫ് പ്യൂബർട്ടി. ദീസ് ചേഞ്ചസ്, several changes happens at the time of adolescence, and these changes marks the onset of puberty. So the important change that happens in the life of adolescents is that they are capable of reproduction. That means they can produce their own offsprings. They are capable of reproduction. The most important change in the adolescence period is that, what is that? Anshida, what change is that, the important change? Yes, they are capable of reproduction. So first important change at the time of puberty is that increase in height. Is it? So it is a markable, very important change at the time of puberty, that is increase in height. Okay, do you know girls, they increase their height more than boys. Girls ആയിരിക്കും പെട്ടെന്ന് അധികമായിട്ട് പൊക്ക കൂടുതൽ പെട്ടെന്ന് വെക്കുന്നത്. ശരിക്കും ഒരു drastic change in height we can see at the time of adolescence. And don't worry that the height of a person depends upon the height of their family members also. Actually it is hereditary, depending upon the genes of their inherited from their parents. So it is very essential that at this time, at this growing time, you have to eat nutritious food, balanced diet, eat healthy food. Then only it will help in your proper growth. So one of the important changes in your body that occurs at the time of adolescence is that increase in height. At this time, the bones of the arms and legs elongate, and it makes a person tall. So what is the first change at the time of adolescence, Archana? Yes, increase in height. So dear children, see this chart. It is given here that age in years, and percentage of full height in boys and girls in each year. Is it? See this, in 8 years boys percentage of height it is about 72 percentage, and in girls it's about 77 percentage. Like that, in 9 years in boys 75 percentage, and in girls it's about 81 percentage. Okay, so one thing you have to understand that around 18 years of age both boys and girls reach their height in maximum. Okay, is it clear? So dear children, from the chart itself you are more clear that at around 18 years of age both boys and girls reach maximum. Is it? Reach their maximum height. And for example, just listen here, calculation, how we are calculating the full height. Its formula is present height, that is in centimeter, divided by percentage of full height at the age into 100. Just listen here, one example for you. A 9-year-old girl or boy, whatever may be, and he have 120 centimeter in height. So how we can calculate his full height? That is present height, that means here 120 centimeter. 120 divided by 9 years, percentage of height is given in that chart, is it? What is that percentage? In 9 years, 75 percentage. That means 120 by 75 into 100. That is at 18 years age, he will reach the maximum height, that is 160 centimeter tall. Okay, so this is how we can calculate a person's full height in centimeter. So one thing you have to listen that both boys and girls attain their or reach their maximum height at the age of 18 years age. So let's recollect all the points that we have studied today. Is it? We have studied that growth is a natural process. And what do you mean by adolescence shown? Yes, the period of life when our body undergoes changes leading to reproductive maturity. That is called adolescence. And several changes occurs at the time of adolescence, which marks the onset of Rohit? Yes, onset of puberty. And the important change that occurs at the time of adolescence, what is that, Harida? Yes, they are capable of reproduction. And the puberty ends when they attain reproductive maturity. So the first change we have discussed here, what is that, Sumitra? Yes, increase in height. Both boys and girls increase in their height. And their bones in arms and legs elongate, and that makes a person tall. Okay, and after that we have studied how to calculate a person's height. Maximum height, that means present height divided by percentage of full height at this age into 100. By doing that we will get the person's maximum height, that is in centimeter. Is it? So hope all of you understood today's portions. If you have any doubt, you can call me, and nobody is allowed to miss your interactive session. All of you have to participate in the session. My dear children, God bless you all. Let's meet you in the next class. Thank you.